ስለዚህ ይሄንን ቱልስ ወይ መሳሪያ በደንብ በመረዳት
maximize the profit. I mean,
ማግኘት ያለብንን ጥቅም ለማግኘት ገበያችንን ለማግኘት በደንብ መጠቀም እንችላለን ብዬ አምናለሁ።
And this, I think 2 months ago, we also launched the promotion. We call it Overseas Partner Incentive. Do you know that? The partnership. The
partnership, yes.
Some leaders know that.
Yes. ከሁለት ወር በፊት አንድ ፕሮሞሽን እንደዚሁ አውጥተን ነበር። ፓርትነርሺፕ የሚል ፕሮሞሽን ላይ አንዳንድ መሪዎቻችሁ
The leaders may know it. You know why? Because the company group, TNS Group, may plan to go IPO, go public in Nasdaq in New York.
ስለዚህ አንዳንድ መሪዎች አሜሪካ ሀገር ናስዳቅ እዛ ፕላትፎርም ላይ ሊሄዱ ይችላሉ።
That's why we already launched the promotion with all the leaders. They may become the shareholders.
አንዳንድ መሪዎች በደንብ
in the stock market they can earn more.
ስቶክ ማርኬት አሜሪካ ናስዳቅ ላይ ሼር እንዲሆኑ
and I hope someday you can promote, and as a leader you can even fight for that. We will have more in the future, and even now we didn't catch up, right? But we will give chance to the people who are following, who are coming. Our first
የተለያየ ሙከራ እናደርጋለን so that ብዙ ጥቅም እንድናገኝ ያደርጋል። ይሁት ይሄ ቢዝነስ ለሆል ላይ ስናወራ የነበረው ከቢዝነስ በላይ yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes. And you know, every year we don't want to organize twice. Great BBS.
Yes. በአመት እንደምታውቁት ሁለት ጊዜ ትላልቅ ቢቢኤስ እንደምናዘጋጅ ታውቃላችሁ።
We already had in January.
ጃንዋሪ መስከረም ላይ ባለፈው እንደነበረ የነበረ ሰው አለ እዛ ፕሮግራም ላይ ቢቢኤስ ላይ ነበረ።
Were you recognized on the stage? Were you recognized on the stage?
እዛ መድረክ ላይ ወጣችሁ
any award?
እዚህ መድረክ ላይ የነበራችሁና ለየትኛው አዋርድ የተሸለማችሁ መድረክ ላይ ወጣችሁ?
Yes, great. I appreciate it. I hope more people will come on the stage to be recognized by the company, by the leaders.
So የሚቀጥለው ቢቢኤስ ላይ ብዙ ሰዎች መድረክ ላይ ወጥተው እንደሚሸለሙ አልጠራጠርም። ይሁት እርግጠኛ ነኝ። We have to show our ability, our capability. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
Good. Okay.
And I hope you can travel together with the leaders to China, to Dubai, to any other countries wherever they have the international tour promotion. Can you make it?
ዓለም አቀፍ ፕሮሞሽን ዱባይ ወይም ደግሞ ቻይና ሲኖር ታሳኩታላችሁ? እዛ ላይ እንድትሄዱ አሁንም አበረታታለሁ። ታሳኩታላችሁ ወይ? ታሳኩታላችሁ ወይ?
I think I can feel from your faith. All of you are very young. You are the future of teams. You are the future of our team.
So most of them, they are 5-6 stars. They have been registered within like 2-3 months. That's why most of them they were not in the business.
All right.
So we appreciate them. We brought them to do the business here.
That's great. That's great. So no problem.
አብዛኞቻችሁ ወጣት እንደሆናችሁ እያየ ነው።
You see.
Congratulations. Most of them.
In order to support you.
Yes.
I never talk to other leaders like this today. In order to support you, because all the system, all the team from various countries, like from Ethiopia, I know you are one of the best team in our region, across teams, business around the world. And like Somali, they are also doing great work. And because I can see, I can feel, lots of Ethiopians are living here in Kenya. And I think the leaders take much care of you on a daily basis. Not only the business, but also your daily life. So I hope you can frequently conduct trainings and TOT. Plus the small BBS, I will support you.
Manager,
Only the TOT.
All right.
And the BBS, the small BBS.
All right. ወደፊት በጣም
Hopefully
ማገዝ
everything.
yes በጣም ማገዝ እፈልጋለሁ። ሊደሮችን እንዲህ አይነት ፕሮግራም እንድታዘጋጁ በጣም ማገዝ እፈልጋለሁ። አንደኛው ቲኦቲ ነው። ሁለተኛ ኤቭሪ መንዝ የሚሰጥ ስልጠናዎችን አበረታታለሁ፣ አግዛለሁ። is promising us, right?
Yes. Promise.
So Somalia, you have seen they work hard እዚህ ሀገር ላይ በደንብ ይሰራሉ and then ብዙ ውጤት አላቸው and I know many Ethiopians ደግሞ they live here right? Yes ብዙ ኢትዮጵያውያን እዚህ እንደሚኖሩ ሰምቻለሁ አውቃለሁ ስለዚህ እንዲህ አይነት ፊዚካል ትሬኒንጎችን በብዛት እንዲኖሩ አበረታታለሁ እና BBS እና program small BBS it's not like a company
You have big, no problem.
Still no
I have no problem.
company
I
በሚያዘጋጅ
just lower the criteria, there's support you. If you have 1,000 BBS, definitely.
Tony Milner! Yes! Wala tagbar na ba kayo? Are you ready? Yes! Are you happy? Yes! Are you ready?
Yes! We are happy! We are ready! Working, working, working! Getting, getting, getting! Cash! Home! Car! Travel! Gold life! Factory!
Good morning, yes! Good morning, yes! Good morning, Billionaire! Good morning, yes! Ready? Yes! Ready? Yes! Happy? Yes! One family! One family! One family! Good morning, Billionaire! Good morning, yes! Good morning, Billionaire! Good morning, Billionaire! Good morning, yes! One family! One family! One family! Better life! Better life! Better life! ዛሬ እጅግ በጣም ምርጥና ድንቅ የሆነውን የሁለት ቀን ተከታታይ እጅግ በጣም ምርጥ ድንቅ የሆነ ስልጠና ወስደን ወደ ተግባር ቀይረን የሚገራርም ውጤት የሚገራርም ስኬት ለመጎናጸፍ are you ready? Yes! Are you happy? Yes! Are you ready? Yes! We are happy! We are ready! Working, working, working! Getting, getting, getting! Cash, car, travel, travel, actually!
One family! One family! Yes!
Are you happy?
Yes!
Are you ready?
Yes! We are happy! We are ready! Working, working, working! Getting, getting, getting! Cash, car, travel, travel, actually! Getting cash, home, car, travel, travel, actually!
more
100 people,
yes
or more than.
yeah more than
Yes.
100 people
And that's great. And I hope we can travel together this October. Can you make it to China?
በዚህ በሚቀጥለው እንግዲህ ኦክቶበር ህዳር ላይ የጉዞ ፕሮሞሽን አለ አብረን መሄድ እንችላለን ወይ
And I hope you can find and achieve the special car fund. It's quite a big amount.
ስለዚህ ደግሞ አሁን አዲስ የመኪና ደግሞ ስፔሻል ካር አዋርድ ፈንድ አለ የመኪና ሽልማት እሱንስ ማሳካት ትችላላችሁ